In this video, we will show you 10 simple steps to achieve the rank of 2-star in Save Club. Step 1. Use our resources. We give you a folder loaded with reels and pictures that you can download and put on your social media. Step 2. You will need to add your landing page to the posts. So log in and on the sidebar, click Websites. Then look at the second link. It will have your username in it. Copy that link and post it with the assets we give you. Step 3. Once a person fills out the form, they become a pre-enrollee. You will be able to see them in your back office. Just click My Referrals on the sidebar. Then scroll down to see them. You can see under Type if they are a pre-enrollee or have upgraded to member. Step 4. Our AI sales agent follows up with your pre-enrollee. It will call, text, and email them and direct them back to the Powerline Tour and our webinars. Step 5. The pre-enrollee upgrades to VIP affiliate. Then they will start the Fast Start training in the back office. It shows them how to use the product and start promoting. Step 6. The training continues with goal setting, freedom number worksheet, list building, and social media posting. Step 7. Become a 1-star rank during the training. Step 8. Become a 2-star by helping others follow this exact same training. Step 9. Submit product and business testimonial. Stay plugged in our Facebook group. Meet and interact with the Save Club community. Step 10. Celebrate your profit, your new residual income stream, and help others do the same. It is just that simple. Start your training today.